Introducing the Tohnichi DOT300I Torque Tester, a reliable and accurate tool designed to measure torque values with precision. Manufactured by Tohnichi, a renowned brand in the assembly industry, this torque tester offers exceptional performance and durability for your quality control needs. With a wide torque range of 30 to 300 lbf, the DOT300I is suitable for various applications in different industries. The easy-to-read analog dial display features a large face, ensuring clear and precise torque readings. The mechanical loading device enables smooth and consistent torque application during testing. Designed to be set horizontally, this torque tester eliminates the need for weight correction, simplifying the testing process. Effortless calibration is achieved by simply rotating the handle, ensuring accurate measurements. Trust in Tohnichi's expertise and invest in the DOT300I Torque Tester to enhance your quality control processes.